गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू आर फाइन एंड हेल्थी। हम आशा करते हैं कि आप अपने घरों में स्वस्थ होंगे, आनंद से होंगे और हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का पूरा बेनिफिट ले रहे होंगे। तो लास्ट वीडियो में आपसे डिस्कस किया था ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर नंबर 10 halogen derivatives. So we are discuss also preparation method of haloalkanes, IPSC nomenclature of haloalkanes, classification of haloalkanes, and last video we are discuss physical and chemical property of haloalkanes. Last video we are discuss chemical property. Haloalkanes are represent four types of chemical properties. First is nucleophilic substitution reaction, second is elimination reaction, third is reaction with metals, fourth is reduction reaction. So in the last video we are discuss nucleophilic substitution reaction. When a nucleophile is attack on alkyl halide and remove of halide ions and attachment of a nucleophile is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Means RX plus nucleophile. This nucleophile attack on these and these are the remove of halide ion. Then R and U is formed and X is removed. Then these reactions are known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. We are also discussed in last video nucleophilic substitution reaction are of two type, SN1 and SN2. We are discussed in last video SN1. These are unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. These are the bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, one reaction in a progress at a time. In this reaction, two reactions are progress in at a time. Then these are known as SN1 reaction and these are known as SN2 reaction. In this reaction, intermediate is formed. In this reaction, not intermediate form, only transition state is formed. So we are discussing in this video only SN2 reaction, but first we are discussing a homework we are giving on the base of SN1 reaction. Then we are discuss first these equation, and after this we are start today topics SN2 reaction. We are give a reaction to complete their reaction mechanism in last video. Reaction is CH3 CH CH3 CH Br and CH3 react with KOH aqueous. Then CH3 CH3 OH CH2 CH3 formed. We are also see halide ion attached on this carbon. So nucleophile attached on this carbon but not attached on this carbon. These are attached on this carbon. What is the reason? तो ये हमने आपको होमवर्क दिया था कि ये क्या रीजन है, इसकी रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म आपको भेजनी है. तो चलिए हम इसकी क्या करते हैं, रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं हम. ठीक है, रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म क्यों हुआ, ये ऐसा क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हमारा डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट बन गया. तो फर्स्टली KOH is converted into K plus and OH minus. Second, in condition intermediate is formed CH CH3 CH Br CH3. Then halide is more electronegative, then attach electron and gain a negative and this carbon gain positive charge. Then intermediate carbonium ion CH plus CH3 is formed. So 1 and 1 2 degree carbonium ion is formed. Next step CH3 CH CH3 CH plus CH3 50 को हाइड्रोजन 50 को गया, क्या होगा, हाइड्रोजन 50. हाइड्रोजन 50 में क्या होगा, हाइड्रोजन यहाँ करके यहाँ चले जाएगा और ये प्लस चार्ज रह जाएगा. तो क्या हो जाएगा CH3 C CH3 प्लस चार्ज गेन कर लेगा CH2 and CH3. These are the 3 degree carbonate. So you are know 3 degree carbonate ion is more stable as compared to 2 degree. Then nucleophile attack on this carbon OH might attack on this carbon and formed product CH3 C CH3 OH CH2 CH3. So this product is formed. Major product, if I attach OH in this carbon, then this product is a minor product Ka plus and removal of Br minus Br minus react to each other and formed K plus Br minus and KBr is formed. These are the reaction mechanism of this compound and fully identification why this product is formed. This product is not formed. Take a screenshot. Now we are discussing SN2 reaction. Bimolecular substitution reaction, SN2 reaction. In this reaction, transition state is formed. Means transition state formed होगी. Two reaction progress in one time. Then these are known as SN2 bimolecular substitution reaction. Now discuss the reaction. CH3 Cl plus KOH aqueous. Then CH3 OH is formed plus KCl is side product. We are discussing reaction mechanism of this reaction. H and Cl. KOH is converted into electrophile and nucleophile. Then in this reaction, not intermediate is formed. Directly nucleophile is attached. These are negatively charged and chloride is also negatively, both electronegative elements or groups, atoms or groups. So attachment of attack of nucleophile on front is not possible. So OH is attached on back side and a intermediate transition state is formed. OH is not attached completely and Cl is not removed completely and H. These are the transition state. These represent 5 bond of carbon but are not actual because these are partially, because the dotted bond is formed. And after this, these are removed and these are attached. Then OH is attached, H and H plus Cl is removed. Then Cl and K react to each other, K plus and Cl minus and KCl is. So we are also seeing in this reaction transition state is formed. नॉट इंटरमीडिएट स्टेट, इंटरमीडिएट आयन नहीं बन रहा है यहाँ पर, ट्रांजिशन स्टेट बन रही है. इन SN1 रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट कार्बोनियम आयन इज फॉर्म्ड बट इन दिस कंडीशन SN2 रिएक्शन अटैचमेंट ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफाइल एंड रिमूवल ऑफ हैलाइड आयन इन एट ए टाइम. तो टू रिएक्शन इज प्रोग्रेस इन ए टाइम, एट ए टाइम. दोनों रिएक्शन स्टार्ट हो रही है, दोनों रिएक्शन चल रही है एट ए टाइम. So these are known as SN2 reaction or bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Take a screenshot. Now we are discuss some other things related to SN2 reaction. First is the reactivity. Reactivity order of alkyl halide या alkyls. CH3, C, CH3, CH3 and X. These are the 3 degree. And CH3, CH, CH3, X. These are the 2 degree. And CH3, CH2, X. These are the 1 degree. And CH3, X. These are the methyl halide. Methyl halide. We are also discuss in this type of reaction nucleophile attached on back side, not front, back side. If back side contain a normal steric hindrance यानी कि त्रिम बाधा रुकावट, steric hindrance is normal or lower, then the reaction is progress easily. If steric hindrance or त्रिम बाधा कहते हैं जिसे हिंदी में हम steric hindrance is higher, then the reaction is not completely or complete by typical condition. We are see these C H H H C H H H C H H and H. Nucleophile attached on back side, but methyl these are both are biggest group. So way of nucleophile is not found. So 3 degree alkyl halide give reaction very difficulty as a base of SN2. Then 2 degree is less steric hindrance, 1 degree or less steric hindrance, and methyl is lesser steric hindrance. So SN2 reaction is given by easily methyl, typically 1 degree, then 2 degree, then 3 degree. So reactivity order is 3 degree is lesser reactive, 2 degree is then 1 degree is and methyl halide is very much higher reactive. These are the reactivity order of SN2. These are the opposite. Understood? These are the opposite as compared to SN1. SN1 reaction 3 degree is faster give, 2 degree is lesser give, 1 degree or lesser give, and methyl is lesser give. Because this reaction is completed by intermediate process, or these are completed by transition state. So more number of electron releasing group stability give the stability of 3 degree carbon, but 3 degree is easily give SN1 reaction, and 1 degree or methyl is give easily SN2 reaction. Understood? Take a screenshot. Now we are discuss some things related to SN2 reaction. Identification of SN2 reaction. इनके हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि हमारी SN2 रिएक्शन हो रही है? तो फर्स्ट इज द rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is proportional the concentration of alkyl halide and concentration of nucleophile. Means if increase the concentration of alkyl halide or decrease the concentration of alkyl halide, then rate of reaction is changed. If we are change the concentration of nucleophile, then rate of reaction is also changed. तो बोथ की कंसंट्रेशन चेंज करने पर क्या हो रहा है? रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन चेंज हो रहा है. तो ये प्रूफ करता है these are the SN2 reaction. In SN1 rate of reaction depend only on concentration of alkyl halide, not depend on the concentration of nucleophile. Second is the rearrangement. Rearrangement is not found. रेजिमेंट में क्या होता है? नहीं पाया जाता है. ठीक है, नॉट फाउंड. अरेंजमेंट नहीं पाया जा रहा। मीन सर क्यों नहीं पाया जा रहा? क्योंकि इसमें इंटरमीडिएट स्टेट नहीं आ रही है। SN1 में क्या होती है? इंटरमीडिएट स्टेट आती है। देन शिफ्टिंग हो सकता है हार्डियन का, बट इन द SN2 a transition state is formed, not intermediate state. So rearrangement is not possible. We are seeing C H H H and Cl plus nucleophile attached on back side, then Nu attach CH chloride is removed, then H and then transition state. Transition state is formed. So no chance in this condition. No chance of rearrangement in this condition. तो in this condition में rearrangement का कोई chances नहीं है, ये attach होकर ये remove हो जाएगा, तो rearrangement is not found. Next is third is the Walter inversion. What is Walter inversion? Like आपने बरसात के दिनों में छाता देखा होगा कि जब बरसात छाता ले लेते हैं तो छाता कभी कभी ऐसा होता है बहुत तेज हवा चलती है और हवा छाते के नीचे से घुसकर छाते को उल्टा कर देती है। तो जिस टाइप से क्या होता है? वाल्टर इन्वर्जन ही होता है। ठीक है, थर्ड इज द वाल्टर इन्वर्जन। वाल्टर इन्वर्जन means if a reactant is optically active, means dextro or levo rotatory, then after the reaction product is formed, change the nature of product. Means if a reactant is D form, it is converted into L form. If a reactant is L form, then converted into D form. These are the known as Walter inversion. If हमारा क्या होता है, क्या हो रहा है? अगर हमारा D form है, डेक्स्ट्रोरोटेटरी हो रहा है, it converted into लीवोरोटेटरी, और लीवोरोटेटरी का हमारा रिएक्टेंट है, it converted into डेक्स्ट्रोरोटेटरी, and this process is known as Walter inversion. Understood? Like we are discuss a simple example. We are take a optically active compound like this. These are the percent of carbon. Then these are the levo rotatory minus L rotatory, because 1 2 3 ऐसे रोटेट होगा. After nucleophile or OH attached, OH is react in the back side of these. Then removal of Cl is found. Then these are attached on this side. Then OH attached on this side and H, so C2H5 and CH3 and H. Then we are represent these are the rotate of light. Rotation of light is on dextrorotatory. So these are plus D. So these process is known as Walter inversion. If D form converted into L form or L form converted into D form, then this process is known as Walter inversion. If a reactant is optically active, if a reactant is not optically active, then no effect on product is found. फिर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पाया जाएगा अगर हमारा क्या है? ऑप्टिकल एक्टिव हमारा क्या रिएक्टेंट नहीं है. अंडरस्टूड? चलिए अब हम थोड़ा सा और डिस्कस करते हैं आज से. कंपैरिजन करते हैं हम SN1 और SN2 रिएक्शन की. ये 1 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आया हुआ भी है, बोर्ड एग्जाम में आ भी जाता है. पहले फर्स्टली यार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं हम क्या दोनों में कंपैरिजन है. SN1 रिएक्शन, SN2 रिएक्शन. फर्स्ट इज रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट. mediate carbonium ion formed in this transition state is formed. Second is rate of reaction is proportional as the concentration of alkyl halide in this rate of reaction proportional concentration of alkyl halide and concentration of nucleophile. Third is rearrangement is found in this rearrangement not found. Next is racemization is found on this plus D plus minus L mixture is found in this Walden inversion is found. Walden inversion is found. Reactivity की बात करें हम तो reactivity 3 degree is a very faster give. SN1 reaction 2 degree is a lesser, 1 degree is all lesser, and methyl is very lesser. In SN2 3 degree is a typical give, 2 degree is a easily give, 1 degree all easily, and methyl is easily. So these are the difference between S and SN2 reaction. Most important topic है आपका SN1 और SN2 लगभग आते रहता है, साल छोड़कर एक साल छोड़कर आते रहता है क्वेश्चन. अगर पीछे क्वेश्चन जो हम कराएंगे आपको बात करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि लगभग 2012 से 20 तक 4 या 5 बार आपका इसमें SN1 और SN2 से क्या सकता है रिएक्शन आपको मिल जाएगी. तो इसमें क्या है, ये इनकी आइडेंटिफाई है. इसमें इंटरमीडिएट क्या बनेगा, कार्बोनियम आयन बनेगा, ट्रांजिशन स्टेट बनेगी. यहाँ रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन जो होगा एल्किल हैलाइड के कंसंट्रेशन के का प्रोपोर्शनल होगा, या दोनों के होगा एल्किल हैलाइड एंड न्यूक्लियोफाइल. यहाँ rearrangement is found, rearrangement not found, racemization D and L form is found if optically active compound is reactant is take optically active then, if not active optically active so not racemization is found. Walden inversion is found means D converted into L and L converted into D if optically active. The activity order 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree methyl and methyl 1 degree, 2 degree.